Good morning, everybody. Today is 8 a.m. 8:11 a.m. here sa Hong Kong, and we are about to head out. We are going to Tung Chung Station. Maghahanap kami ng food in that area. Maghahanap kami ng breakfast kasi we're gonna go sa Nong Ping 360 cable car later, and then magbubuda kami. So yon. Yun lang naman yung agenda for today. Magno-Nong Ping, magbubuda, ano pa ang gagawin namin? Magpipick tram, tapos ano ba yun, babe? Yung Sky Terrace, ayun. I'm just gonna show you my outfit of the day. It's just like the same shoes as I wore yesterday, which is the Nike, and then thrift na pants, and then my Shein na damit, and then my purse, and then Babu. Okay, what's the shoes? Tell us your shoes, bro.
As usual, white Sacais.
Tell me your pants, yo.
Priceless kasi regalo.
Perfect. This is Nike OVO. And then the
Shirt priceless, regalo ulit. Bag priceless, galing kay Dan.
Okay. Your hat, bro.
Chain 100. Ito, magkano bilhin natin dito? 56?
I think so.
Yeah.
So yeah, that's about it. We're just gonna head out. And maghintay kami ng aming complimentary bus to go to Tung Chung Station. And then, see ya! Bye! So yeah, guys. So outside ng room or like ng hotel namin, there's like car meet-up going on.
Super car meet-up.
So, ayan. Gaganda ng cars nila dito, guys. Mga igop. And of course, si Ford's Aeron. Tingnan mo naman, guys. So, ang cute ng mga cars nila. Ayan, dun yung kulay. Ayan, guys. So, tingnan mo to. Ang gaganda, guys, ng mga cars nila. We're about to like wait sana sa bus namin. This is our bus stop or shuttle bus. Punta kami ng Tung Chung Station, and then on the Tung Chung Station we're gonna go find a breakfast called punta ka dun. We're gonna go sa nakita namin na pagkain online. Ngalan doon is Cafe something. And si Aaron. This is the hotel.
Don't see these every day.
I know. We don't see this.
First time going, I didn't even go. It's just right here. Going to meet.
CDM Production, babe.
Sa'yo, may shooting dito eh.
Kasi may yung sa sticker ng ng car niya is CDM.
Ano yan, mga magda-drive-thru yan sa sunod-sunod.
Yung ganda naman.
Sunod sa YouTube mo.
Ay, ang cute! Ay, oo nga, guys. Guys, tignan nyo, guys. So, may camera at production daw. You know, there's a camera there. I don't know if you can see it. But there's a camera over there. So, I think may production sila. Guys, so we're here sa Cafe de Corral. Perfect! Ayun siya, guys. So, for the vlog. Say hi to the vlog, everybody. Mga pangit kayo. Nag-order kami.
Magad ba ako ng sauce?
Ikaw bahala. Ordering our food sa kiosk. Okay. Parang gusto ko yung with the soup eh. Gusto ko matry yung soup.
Sa akin wala.
Parang gusto ko to. Bun with butter, macaroni, and also soup with scrambled egg. Huh?
Magbigay ka ng sausage. Ayun o. Mas maganda yun.
Bun with butter. Thank you. Ooh. me is we're currently here sa Tongchon Station, where is andito din yung sakayan ng ng Nongping cable cart 360. So that's right behind me. Bebe, tingin ka. Naks naman. Uwah! So yan, so that's the city gates. Tapos tignan nyo guys, so ang taas ng nila. I think this is like their apartment. I think this is apartment. Anyways, ang haba ng pila guys. Ticket office, cable platform only. Ano magawa na ito? Ano magawa?
Hey guys.
Mayan pa ganoon. Nongping 360 cable car. Tip for you guys, always buy everything online. Ticket purchase. My bad. So yeah guys, always buy your ticket online so that it will save you time and hindi ka na magpila-pila. So I have mine, and of course we all have it. Sana hindi tayo malobat. I'll see you guys later sa taas. Cable cart na. Bakit ako nakatalikod? Pero kaya ako yung guide. Ganda naman no? So yun na nga guys, that's how the ride is. Parang 30 minutes or 20 minutes ride din siya. View your cable car photo. So nagpa-picture kami guys kasi wala. Why not? Diba?
Kunin ba natin pag pauli na lang tayo?
Kunin na natin ngayon. Why not guys? Just for remembrance for this trip. Alright, so we're here at Nongping Village. Ayan guys. So, paano ba sa'yo yan?
Ha?
Ikaw na bahala? Bahala ka dyan. So, this is what it looks like over here guys. So, nagbayad kami ng picture namin. I'll show you guys later the picture.
Madulas ng konti.
Village nila dito sa Nongping Village. Sa Nongping pala.
Kami ay nasa taas ng bundok din, by the way.
Aha. Ginamit namin yung cable car. And then later, pag pauwi, cable car din.
May kape.
Hindi na kami kakain kasi kumain na kami guys. We're trying to
Mas mahal
like...
yung mga pagkain.
Oo naman. We're trying to save the money because the picture is already 138, so that's already our lunch.
May dessert to. Honeymoon dessert.
That's already our...
Uy, Subway!
Grabe ka naman. Siyempre may Subway naman dito. Sa Asia ay. So yun nga guys.
Tapos paano rin baka nasa Canada siya? Baka taga-Canada yan.
Gagi. Anyways. Ooh. Look at this. Walking with Buddha. So, I think yung paakyat dun sa Buddha, we don't have the money. I mean, we don't have the ticket. So, we have to buy. But I don't know if with my tao, if he wants to walk all the way there. Because I don't know. And ooh, ito yung mga Buddha.
Tayo ka dito.
So, yan. So, how was it, babe?
Yung?
May monk, oh, guys.
Saan? Ano?
Ayun, nakakalula lang, guys, yung ano, yung ride. Ito yung bus na sinasabi. Kung nag one way lang tayo.
Saan pumasok dito?
China Art of Window. Ito naman. Sige, ganyan na din tayo soon. Yun yung family ko. Hi, cat! Okay. Ooh, ang ganda. Yun. Guys, pa-wife. Yung sasabihin ko sana. Hindi. Mga ano nila yan. Yung mga pang ano. Kaya, kailangan natin videohan dito. So, this is the view, guys. We're getting closer. I think yung Buddha is in the side. Right?
Oo.
I think yung Buddha dito na side.
Dito. Pero doon tayo sa temple.
Yeah.
Dito.
This
So, I
is...
guess kahit sino pwede umakyat.
Ooh, tara. Let's go.
Kasi ko temple yung...
So, we're heading back na. Wala. Nakita ko na sa inyo guys si Buddha. That's it. Hindi natin na-video kanina eh. Pero yun na guys. Si Buddha yun sa taas. Hindi na namin pinuntahan kasi that's how much is it? Parang another $20 or like $30 Hong Kong para lang mag-entrance doon. So yun no. So we're heading back na sa cable cart. Nahihiya ako dun sa bubong eh.
Akala ko sino kausap niya. Akala ko may iba siyang sinabihan eh.
Kaya eh, nahihiya ako. So feeling ko magpapapicture din sana siya.
Hindi no, dumaretso siya sa upuan niya.
Ah, okay. So anyways, so buti ang cute sana neto. Ay, ang cute natin dito, be. May hawak-hawak kasi tayo, eh. Pangit.
Sabihin, adventure style.
Ang cutie. Ayan. So, picture natin. Okay. I'll see you guys later kapag nasa cable cart na kami.
Siguro solo natin yun. Hi guys, big tram na kami. Dami namin pinagdaanan through hardships and kainisan sa buhay. Matagin ito pa pamilya. So,
Baka mo kaya yung sa ano, paper bag. Kung wala naman palang laman.
so here's the view. Sa loob ng thread or panmatao dito sa whatever. Sa atin ng tick sa right side daw, di ba?
Yeah.
Di ba? Tick
Yeah.
right side. Bakit sa right side?
Para makita mo daw yung mga areas. Stuff. Like that. Pero, nainis ako.
Bakit?
Usok na!
Kasi naiinis sa videographer.
Videographer walang kwento.
almost naka 90 degrees, no, not 90, in siya. So, ito po, yun po. Kung alam niyo po, ito po yung nilakad namin pababa. Kasi, sorry, sensor. Buisit po yung driver na ininis ni Aliana, so nainis din siya, so niligaw niya kami lalo. So ito, umuulan, naglalakad kami pababa. Kaya sinabi ko true hardship. Pero pataas pa rin kami. Parang kami nasa aeroplano, pataas.
Oh my God.
And then, yeah. Pero pupunta tayo sa Sky Terrace.
Yeah.
Yes, so ayun yung pinakamataas na part ng Hong Kong. And then, ano pa magagawa naman maliban mag-picture? Picture pa? Magkape, mag-picture, tapos picture ka pa. Pwede pa natin sila kami.
Pero uwi pa, pero hindi ta ngayon. Sa
Ano?
pag-uwi pa. Ayun, pupunta tayo sa taas. Sabi na yung camera natin.
So ito guys, hindi lang to malaking building, may mga museum din dito. Ayan, si ano?
Picture natin.
Manika. Tapos, ayan, Manika din. Pero buhay. Sabi ko may Manika pero buhay. Ayan, ito, si ano to? Sikat na artista daw to eh. We are on our way to the top of the top of the top. Look at the view. Kami po ay nasa pinakataasan ng part ng Hong Kong. More shops. Baka may kape ah. Ayun oh, Pacific Coffee oh. Tara, silipan natin dito. Meron din sila Marvel Adventure Lab. I think, photo booth lang din pala. Pacific Coffee. Di ko alam ito. Okay guys, BRB. We are at the Sky Terrace 428. Oh, sorry. Beware slippery floor. Oh, may building pa sa taas. What the heck? Sino natutulog ka? So kami ay nasa dito. Kami ay nasa pinakataas na po ng Hong Kong. Technically sa bundok, nalulula ako. Ito po ang view. Maulan yan kaya foggy tuloy kaya di maganda tignan ng medyo okay pa lang. Okay lang. Nalulula ako kasi medyo atras tayo. Yung pala may building nun oh. Kaso nano ng ulap.
Hi guys, so we're here we're on our way to the Monster Village.
Village ba? House?
Monster Village.
Ito pwede naman.
Alin?
After natin mag-sister yak.
Wow. Yeah.
Kasi malamang magpipicture lang talaga tayo. So tapos agad tayo, di ba?
Yeah.
Balak ko. Uwi. Tapos balikan natin yung Symphony of Lights. Kasi in-skip natin para kay Richmond eh. Tapos pumunta din pala siya dun.
Si Raul siya.
Yeah. So kung yun gusto mo, tapos balik din agad tayo after nun para makabot pa
1 hour yun eh.
Yes, alam mo, paulit-ulit lang naman yung effects nun eh. Diba? Hi guys. So, nasa Monster Village na kami. Ayan, kung maalala nyo, si Optimus Prime at kung sino mo yung kalaban niya dito. Tapos yung lugar, literal, ghetto, sorry. Pero, mali pala yung angle natin. Dapat pala doon tayo sa kabilang side. So guys, ayan, ito ang view namin ngayon. Optimus Prime, Transformers. Init din dito, walang hangin. Okay, BRB.
Hi guys, we're currently here sa Choi Hung Estate. I think. Estate? Something like that. So basically, Choi Hong Estate. So basically, this is one of the parang housing ng Hong Kong here. And pare-parehas sila ng height, I believe, and kulay, pero hindi naman. Sabi sa TikTok, pare-parehas sila ng kulay or like bright yung kulay, pero hindi naman.
Oh, baka dahil naman.
Baka, wow. Baka. Pero dito yung may mga basketball court or like yung basketball, guys. This is what it looks like over here. So yeah, that's what it called Choi Hong Estate right here. And then, yeah. Kakain tayo ng nagano. Sige, gano'n ko mamaya dito. Ikaw, plate. First taste. Spicy? Oh yeah?